Good afternoon, good evening. Inside Kotoko here on YouTube. I said feedback na me nyawa hana no ding. Well, na Uncle Blasting ko 40 of ye. Prince the defender is the man I mean no eba be dijumano bibia the din wa say. Na mo follow Prince no on SOTV football and also on Silver Network. Only Mr. Bibu or more Kejagum papa. You say the one say no. 2 and 3 posts near Barney. I bet you think Granny had tap in your call. Prince, we have a call there.
And you don't so we are fine. We are fine, pa.
And Rasmus said, "Na what's our comments were Walid mon seminar mokokana."
Yeah.
Yes, and number one, no your becount because now we be a becca on the clubhouse issue. Walid Casafa clubhouse on.
Oh yes.
And also Casafa a year the disaster perform it now over twaso.
Yes.
Mama na so alhamdulillah or the aseda ebemenyame na watwaso I na country so. And I think there was an issue of Jujusem.
Oh yes. No kana
Jujusem no.
Yes, attracting interest pa.
Juju na attracting interest.
Because na ya manfo adwemu na se ye dan na sade ni timisi o camp won. Se mote hono mu nyina no do ni mu ntam. Amanfo asa 19 twetwa bi wo honom ba ti so be da na de amanfo person mo
ba yem hye wo Juju
me yem hye me
dentia
me yem hye me me ji sunsum ne amadi
yeah
na my expected that say ye beka sa se mu ekura around the club like Asante Kotoko ene ne mansusu say players aya camp mu nyina mo e wo ba bi ba ko de mi say ye de obi abai for the common goal of Asante Kotoko. That's to succeed.
That's how they back on Kotoko more.
To succeed.
Okay.
Set team ni be ye no ano no. Enya wo personal interest ntina buy. O buy for team no ye yo. So if ya campion mu nyina mu in a place na be kwa koba na 19 twitwa e bi ba because of ne wu benya ama team na bread ya then me hu ni say emrante no mo won so bed team ni ho do eni honom Oma for team in Hondo. So I make a crack.
As a personal interest now more.
Personal interest in the doors of change. Collective, no.
Prince, this is my take. I've been around Kotoko from point of a journalist outside.
Yes.
And I'm saying room. And I'm saying P as a journalist.
Yes.
Enjoy that. Did you say me enjoy? No. So me can't say me in TV that I'm a
okay.
But you do some ninja. And I said, as a man can or air that. But one problem I had with Clubhouse was that thing. Yes.
Juju Sam.
Was the Juju Sam? Oh, say, you're high. Me socks beats me ira.
Yes.
Maybe at that day, me buy and me pentem. Maybe I'm a trans and I'm a Roman Pablo Guha. And I'm better now. And in my mind, they Guha.
Yes.
But later, I you finish a say. Say if competition were ya or Tihani more has socks mean you to be.
Oh yes.
Bet you about me trims will be the IMB.
Tipa.
And that is what happens within Kotoko. The level of competition is not healthy. Send your musifa pre or pre.
Yes.
And your papa.
Yes.
And your healthy one. So any little thing, yeah, no be air attributing to something spiritual. Those spiritual issues in there were
oh yes.
But if we get too heavy, no be attributing to something spiritual. To be to could see the socks. Maybe one for pecs and boom and from a
baby.
Or Chinabi Obehuno. Now, Jin said, Obina, a time you know the Korean drew.
Yes.
Tinyamian Fef, you know, good training grounds, being a prebi. In your bape, Nana Adrian said, "Be assuming in AM." Don't go for you be, but it will amplify. It will get to a different level based on the fact that no meaning baby far.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. And a two we are saying upo we are on the soon so much money acquainted the man.
That's right.
We are acquainted the man say. Inke dura homachia to over. Sorry. Na be jina wo dan nim. Ne bi aka asem bi. E yo no ano ho bambo. But imagine a group of players at Tifie. na do 12 ya ma obi sa akwankyere no obi gina ne dan nim na oya de na besi
so be dan de etwetwe aso
be ka so oye ti obi
yes even kra no tenant kra motifie kra mpo no motifie kra na amunye players na kra na mo be han mo dan a motitim no se utai hu obi se obi taye ne ma bi sa na ya na wo nipa na wo nye sa no ya na wa hyase edwin adwin bi ma nipa no nti akwankyere ne de se ne wo ka
footballers ndi akwankyere mo nya akwankyere no footballers any akwankyere I say
4 and 5
otu anu atiem akwankyere bi firi be bebre na eba
bebre
yes I'm telling you football for among from akwankyere sem ndi open one group omo ya akwankyere pay footballers and I was not surprised with the na Korte come and Korte was driving at yamu bi ankotra ne baby
yes
so what you say
yes
obi sofu betimi aba na ofili se ne dan o dan no so the anointing oil
epiti ho
o clubhouse over there no
ntimi obi so kura ne so se ne o so kan yi ne sofu betimi aba na omo inside kura no e wo se omo shi incense
yes
na se oye ni next door neighbor in fact so bad na wo nya sa bia ayesa na ma wadwe mu yo bibiri
ya 7 nyina
nteni pano twa no obi antu nkotra ne baby ne ne de obekwa koye no wo dem no
asem nyina it's a simple entity what I say my so be sofo abana anajo be we osisore ne mbompa ofun so na bia nyu bia na bompa yo
de anokre
obi de oye bi foforo what I say ebia say anajo be 12 about 12 apie na fa we koto ha fa ko e ba so pa I was not surprised with comments in our boy and make here. Just that I'm hoping say the board will listen to all these things and take the right decision. Walid did you know? Now what's the saying? What's what you know saying? I have a problem with Dokayan. I have a problem, Kaka. I don't think next what council already said the baby Emra.
Yes.
A 100 dear.
Yes.
I mean who is that?
Yes.
Walid was 3 years contract. Okay. The last thing I may expect so be can say see you a contract more many problem. You should have a problem. First of all, Walid can say on person obema any excuse the modern
yes and yeah.
No. Men coming you be am ben Walid no me dim come for that interview can say masa. Okwen kasa asem. You see, sometimes you let the public also know what is going on.
Yes.
Especially if enyen tumagufi. You seem tumagufi wa bonte. But nyen no men na enyen tumagufi. For instance, Walid uprai. You had a serious injury.
Yes.
Nancy a story back about so what's the sound your free clubhouse. But no can say no the permission kwa was. So this was a perfect opportunity for you to explain certain things happening.
Yes.
Say me modern na so ani me amegitum se metimi abom mo na emum afidie prepare ha me because me kai se ko Morocco me ba ya na mbeka so ni man olentry supporters ni nya abotre mo for be 1 month.
Yes.
Because omo fit. That was when I got to know say omo nyina say pressure omo. So I felt it was an opportunity to tell the so be ka so oh this year pam me kra na kweta say we di kan bo trimu pose. Yes, according to my give up. You don't give up.
Yes.
On that score, I felt Walid should have explained matters a little bit.
Yes.
Instead of
saying
he said the baby piano because and remember when some man for tears you be on metal
yeah.
And on your maybe but on one feel say he would have to say that. But maybe I don't think Senke can sanke Senko uchichi so afia nkoyi ye be pacho na emo me ankasa no afi enoma sei ni na to me a me bom pa ese nyankopon ma sa ade ni bi nsibiem
yes
se na next season no me toa so asi aka ma kotokwa sika bia ni gidi achitafo ni nya omo no metimi aye ama o mani age
yes
I think I would have preferred that than so because you twa ma fine ye ntwa so a ye better na se deliver we meant you bring that in no now I say you are ready to leave on the way to be a diabolical because Walid expresses desire to leave Asante Kotoko.
Yeah.
Not their mark caption.
Oh yes.
Prince.
That's so bad. Me, this is where I'm in a board. No me issues with the board.
Board.
Yes.
Ne ka ma member board na so about the ma me ti issue ni say mo ho answer wa answer ma for.
Okay. The reason why I make us say issues with the board is say senka by now Asante Kotoko on the management. And a Kotoko won the communication department no. Our more communication team no more year juma very active. Yes, over kind of said team no more recess. You players no be akon the baby. But you can't call a player for an interview without the consent of the communication team. And yet then over for communication team no to tell them say player A player B and you for interview or player and be inform the communication team say you get invite from this media house. But here lies the situation as well. Asante Kotoko team no any communication team in na no player be asori a. Na sem bia no timi de koto abonten na kwakoka. Which I think say senka management ne presence ne wo hono ma ye wo west bi ne nsem ne bi wo no ma ye hono no they will be guided. But I say no why ne kwako guide no because I am no mo no sisi no communications no lawyer Safudu QS kwa wo no sisi akwa no onim whether obeto aso anaso woko nti akamia ese sisi no structure na breaking into no so be amma kwanye mo obia de obia pebia no obia ye na obia nso koka me even with the juju kura asem no kwa no so be na me person kom kata ho
okay
ndi kwa sen ken no kwa nke ba bonten because it should be something say pia bonten say kim uma supporter no ehun ni say no any mrantie no the moment am performance nkoso no eye juju wo manipa no bibi de na asi so say ohun se ne ma nkoyi a on fan hye saade no because ebia na mo ye mo hu bibi ntina saade no e affect mo performance e wo field no so ba we nyina be ko wie sa communication because so bad se players kura break for national team campa untimi mfa o camera keke ane o microphones nko so kwa ye player bia interview keke no yin allow saade no omukwa national team the communications make sure say the words how they beba questions how they beba ni nyina no omo ya aware but for the media ye na ye news da kwa bonten
exactly
into the day be ya ye benya news no that is what we are going to do into ye be push you to the wall na ye news no na dey aba be feed your listeners that is the media ye no into ye to je wo player no ni mu team ni say wo be hu how am be sia go by amonsem ko na sansem ya wo be kan ye say you terminate your contractor and as say wo to aso a de be bia no you okay with it no for professional player na wo kan sa asem no do you think say omo akasefo na mo tena TV so amo hwe omo Bernardo Silva no ma ne okọ onam kwa so owo koi senka Bernardo Silva ho no ma na ba interview say oh emfa ho me emfa me ho say you terminate my contract and as say Man City meto aso mento aso anya masem no you can't. But I say no, ya ne say e normal, you terminate players contract into no player no hu ne say me bo one season kwa na anya ye kura na de be ba ne say you be terminate my contract. Into kwatana bonten a wonam nyina re hye trim say ye dan a me de ebusa me sa asem na me de meka. Say you be terminate you, say you terminate you. Me de me wo ho. But this was the perfect moment. Power senka. Walid Eren catch team no any Kotoko supporters ni na say fine this season me nya ne yie. Ba me hye Kotoko fo bo say next season so be me ye adwuma so nko de ama team no enti no say we din kura da red list ne so a say mpanimfo na be ba ne te sa asem na wo player no kwa kan na eno kura no omutimi sa reconsider
their decision
yeah sa asem no kura kwa kan no say when ye good season na emom o hye supporters ne bo say next season there wo be ba ye adwuma so nko de ama say ya true din dia to red list ne so a yetimi dia steris to ho say akwa we di ye ma ne break kakra ne san hwade ba wo kwa bonten ekoka de beba bia fine no muso betake omu decision say de beba bia almost okay
may I tell you our free banner say on the part of the Kotoko communication this is my opinion about it and I had stories that we ever come more than you suspected on said then I make on radio to say I feel things are delaying and Yenyam conform so many dream the press and Emma board. I've been quiet about it because they nominate man be war Malcolm. Or could cheat any pa to share many did in Comocra. You didn't come chair, yes, you didn't come chair.
Yeah.
You know, so but that's a board you buy a one chair. You normally talk about that. I'm saying, listen. If you understand the football system, the first thing on India grow a time.
Yes.
Meaning they teach them go food trim say people want stories. Into a per se a bought penny food in their story. But penny so a human obey. The story is just like 5% of the conversation or the picture.
Yes. Yes.
The 95% is your body a juma or babe.
That's right.
And unless you are telling me Kotoko okay and no job is needed, then we can delay with everything. But if you jitum say juma wa,
yeah.
Nasa meka say ne body obabe na juma ni di intem non share juma na say intem so on me ya adwen.
That's right.
But opinions are like noses obi ntimi obi anya adwen at the same time. Masama meka say na yeti we. Media man start recruitment. Team pa. Ediana was starting recruitment. Converse makaka some of the transfer in reaction. Just that I don't say maintain yet other clubs no.
Yes.
But Ediana starting recruitment.
Wow.
Meaning player. Ediana CEO akwa agent. And you know they are done.
Ediana.
Yes.
Wow.
Some of the players, and this is how it is. Our first option are going to Abuchi. Into a club now delay. You play will be a brutally and a foreign deal. No, menka brutally. I'm for say UK anyway.
Yes.
Africa had done and ya concrete sir. Into a club now come here. Oh, the end dawa air beno. Do not let me decide. Say, kusuya shamin semi ya chen kusuya dawa many will be corporate. Into my membraha.
Yes. Yes.
Most of them.
Yes.
So the point some of us were making is that. But your board needing IMC no walk. Makacho say oba on chewa wari aseno. Utu banchia. Undia. Cause onyo no ebedua. Amo bia ba betwa.
Ene no kre.
Ni pesu.
Yes.
Nti ebia enye management ni nyina ba dodo na ba start adweno mo daache ho. Which the daache don't include Kotoko. Nti o ma tension on Kotoko be slow kakra.
Yes.
So what is the best thing? The best thing is the more bar must come. And quickly start working. May acquire you and 728. May 31 and 30 days. 31.
Yeah.
To roughly by Monday, Urabu Smufu. Monday near Urabu Smufu. June, July, August. League started September 4th. What it means that September and final ton change.
Yeah.
June, July, August. 3 months.
Yeah.
So the new system is going to have 3 months to prepare. As against Bidiama or Montache.
Yes.
Hard to folk on Montache. Gold Stars on Tache. Ediana on Tache. Samates are on Tache. It's when you're a true football person, they are going to learn on the job while doing the job.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
And Obekaya, IMC was appointed on 15th June. May I come out some 15th June, you appointed IMC. No? I am telling you, say, Nana Pinkra kwesi wamo complaining, say, time na, I'm going to be team net is 15 June. Time ne so. And so when you make June mu kwa na nimu a, when you pan beba, but when you bad first season.
Of course. Of course. Of course.
Now we can communication. Okay. Boys na ko interview. Lawyer Safuduku based on the release of free efficacy by and lawyer Nejuma bury you. Lawyer cannot be so straight on the boys. Only straight almost.
Yes.
And then there's no communication director. So even if say Walid, Yemfan say on it Kote interview Mukoye. Does it fall within the management structure? The answer is no. A management PR and the answer is no. A boys normally will be excellent relationship. Interview. Why not be blamed? You be blame no. You can't blame anybody.
Yes.
Banka communication director na ekon. Nanka Sunday will hand you over the next communication director.
Yes.
Nanka Monday na mko share players no. The next communication director and they on no kwan obefa so aye team not to boys name.
Okay.
That should have been the way.
Yes.
By a trending. What checking the last 2 release at Kotoko Diaba. And your last of Fudu Kunsa and Shasi.
Yeah.
A board and management.
Yes.
One son and Shasi. We believe the last of Fudukana.
No.
And all fellow are not seeming to be Kasa, one a Kasamako. So,
No.
in the absence of the fact, people fill that void with rumor.
Yes. Yes.
Inti, I feel say, yeah, Casso, Omunian in Temianco for being in Yahadri. But Omo Baba ye Jumon. And the Juman also thou says so be Babe.
And the Juman also song.
The Juman also song. And won't send baby. So why are we creating the impression that you were bread, near bread, near bread, near bread? Transfer markets and any packet to have been at the end of Okopo.
Yes.
We ban my baby. I see a traffic build. We I see an I born a Saturday, don't come.
Yes.
The baby are 5 for the baby are 5
2 city.
2 city. And we never cost or transfer world. The best players will first of all choose a deal outside. The second best would be competed between the clubs in Ghana.
Yes.
In the old and one man temwa obebano na kasi. Inti people must understand where some of us are coming from.
Yeah.
And you see a PC ebo bidin na ebo dini we are then is.
Let me dini there.
Discuss it dino. E adwuma na ye pe.
Yes. Field no so na ye.
Field no so. Inti people must understand and sometimes have a bit of patience when it comes to nkomo. Na ejana edu baby a hey boom no. Ya na ejano ya na born over the bar. The bojana over the bar baby because adwuma da hopa. Interview me you can clearly see that they were not directed by any communication.
Yeah. Yes.
I don't have a problem with the interview. Me hana Walid back manage by Japan.
Oh yes.
Me hana kote ba man was say me penasem pa.
Oh, yes.
Personally I have this kind of me pe boys nasem. But I had a brand Kotoko.
Yeah.
Sir Prince.
So wait.
Ye tieni. And I'm a wo announcement in Komunum pa. Said Dabeni be bomudin, Dabeni be bomudin.
Okay.
The Amatieni. Board secretary need they say anything about one thing.
Yes.
Let us say Usun. Good. On a board secretary.
Yeah.
He's part of the transitional team. I'm gonna check in your man. They tieni kesie pa no. Say. Right after the transitional team.
Okay.
And your man mienu we ni besi. Kotoko will appoint the director of football.
Director of football.
The title is my sporting director. Director of football. But Kotoko be you bia on na ball no. Omo bono. Anyone share no.
Yes.
Or no. And ebe down no. No I say ejuma no.
Right.
That will be the first appointment.
Yes.
Pray the director of football and ejuma
so the director of football, my main can say sana structures apapa ni nyina omo ye teams akese na wo support ni nyina mudi achi ni nyina obia ewo director of football and I said the sporting director. Now director of football no so be ya chichem o na adwuma wa ye no ni people pa eye be for structures no eye for the kind eye player recruitment and squad building. Director of football no na adwuma titiriu pa no enti wo ye in charge of transfers e beba no players ebeko players ebetena wa club nim director of football no na djuma a wo de ba kane so wo director of football na as sporting director ehu ehia pa no na the djuma to so 2 scouting and data analysis it is the director of football no e wo ho no ma wo make sure say Kotoko sisi ya ye wo ho no mi omo scouts no omo wai omo djuma ohefa no omo ye adjuma ko adwuma no omo ye no players sign no omanya omo di omo ba enti no omonita team ne scouting no se ne esi ko mfaso a team ni nya any sen ye be ya team ne be si nya mfaso biem going forward ti na adwuma etoso 2 hu hia pa se wo se club bia enya a sporting director which eno kwa dem ye good me ye impressed with near board no person omo ye eno no the toso 3 contract management
On the managing contract.
Yes. So was sporting director. O make sure say player contract renewal, salary budget, and a squad valuation. Players no near oko. Near was say terminating the contract. Near was say renew the contract. And the recommendations kesiya pa sporting director ni play key role. E was side yenim. Team no salary. Budget no sign a city. Sporting director no play key role in Sanya man into a sporting director. Has you know a direct work with the CEO. And the finance for no.
Prince Nyabotre na cheche me starting in na foforo na.
Me starting for
starting foforo na.
Okay. Me say ya wo 4 na djuma no ya wana kese no ya chiche 4. 4.